Hey everyone, welcome back to Clee's Backyard Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you around the little arid space that I work here. I'm trying to do some stuff. I'm still looking for some tools. I need a table saw. I'm still researching and trying to find best budget, best quality, in my price range. And just, it's a small space here. I got some clamps, I got the miter saw. I'll show you guys around. So right now, I got some pallet wood, and there's the Porter cable from last week. Some tools here. I've been trying things out, and then right here, my first wood project that I did back in elementary school, I believe. Just on shop class, I believe it was like a bandsaw or something. And I still have it. And this is where it all started. And this is my little space. Nothing much to it. Got my dog Dexter. He's sleeping by the window, watching me. Look at him there. And yeah, that's all I have here. So here's the backyard. Sometimes I'll, move some stuff out there, even though the floor isn't level. So it's just a little tough task, but I want to get it all done. And here's the wood from last week. Still have that in here. Little edges I made on the router first time. Still trying to get the hang of it. Got a lot to learn about that thing. And yeah. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave some comments down below if you have any ideas for me or some tips to help me out here. And that's all for now. So take care and see you next time.